All right, so a lot of people have been asking me, how do you travel? Like, how do you actually book flights, and what exactly do you do? So I'm going to give you some quick tips and hints on how to find good, easy, cheap tickets. All right, so the first thing is I'm going to go to either Skyscanner or something else called Google Flights. So we'll try Skyscanner first, and I'll show you this app, and then we'll go to the other one. So, all right, so I'm going to go to Skyscanner. It says book tickets. All right. And I'm going to click in LAX, and I don't really want Costa Rica right now. And I don't want, let's just say I want to go in November. So what does it say? Explore everywhere. So I'm going to explore everywhere and I'm going to hit search. So let's take a look at where we could go. We go to Puerto Rico, like for $173, Mexico, Guatemala, Costa Rica, round trip for $218 from LAX. All right, Colombia. All right. So this is kind of one of the ways that I'll do it. Ecuador, 400, Panama, been there, been to all these different areas. All right. So I just kind of pick and choose. So I kind of looked at this and I went, all right, let's look within the United States and see where you can go. All right. And then I actually went and I went, let's look at going to, okay, I went to Kauai. All right, Kauai Island. And I just said November. And I started searching. And what I found was that if you fly out on something like in November, you fly out like on the 7th and you come back the 14th. Okay. Oh, 7th. And then over here on this side, it kind of shows you where you could come back. And actually, what you can do is you can look at the chart and it'll tell you what days are actually good for returning. So you want to return on the 10th. So maybe you'd go from the 3rd to the, how about 13th? And then you can see right here, $300 round trip per person. Okay. Now, if you don't have a VPN, and I suggest you have a VPN, it'll actually get you a better price. I will show you what I paid for 2 tickets, and I found these tickets yesterday. All right, so that is Skyscanner, and Skyscanner is amazing because let's just say you're very flexible in where you want to go. So you can add nearby airports, and you can have round trip. You can throw in a hotel and something like that.